Hello everyone. In this video we are solving a hard difficulty level challenge, reversing letters in a string while keeping the numbers in the same place. So let's break it down. So we have a string that contains both letters and numbers, and the challenge is to reverse only the letters while keeping the numbers in their original position. So look at these test cases for a better understanding of this challenge. Here in the first test case, AB89C, so all the letters are reversed and the numbers 8 and 9 stay in the same place. The same applies to the second test case. And in this third test case, there is only one letter, so it stays in the same place and the numbers remain in their original position. So let's break down how we can write this function to solve this challenge. Here is the function reverse, and this function will take a string. So let's call this argument s, and first we convert this string into a list. Because strings in Python are immutable, meaning we can't modify them directly, but lists are mutable, so we will work with the list to swap the characters. So here arr list yes, and next we set up two pointers, left and right. Left start at the beginning of the list, so it will start from this 0 index, and right start at the end, so len arr -1. So these two pointers will move towards each other. To swap the letters, so left right 0 len arr -1. We use a while loop to iterate through the list. So the loop runs as long as the left is less than right. So while the left is less than right. So inside the loop, we check if the character at the left pointer is not a letter, and if it's not a letter, then we move the left pointer one step to the right. This statement is for that. And this isAlpha is a method in Python that checks if a character is a letter. So it returns true if the character is a letter, and this returns false if it's not a letter. So if the character at the left is not alphabetic, we move the left pointer forward. So similarly, if the character at the right pointer is not a letter, we move the right pointer one step to the left. If not arr right is alpha in this statement. So when both left and right pointers are pointing to the letters, we swap them, and then we move both pointers inward. Inward meaning left goes right and right goes left. So this else is statement that we use to do that. And finally, once the loop finishes, we convert the list back to the string using join method. So join arr, and we return the result. So let's test it with these test cases. So first AB89C, that's the first test case. And here you can see the outputs we are getting. So the function is working. So we have successfully reversed the letters in the string while keeping the numbers in their original position. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I hope you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe the channel for more coding challenges. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.